All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna be doing the prep work for the paint on the body of the car. This should be the final part of redoing this car until you see me putting everything back together. So let's get to it.
Let's get to it, guys.
Guys, I didn't show you this before, but this is the last little body work I gotta do before we continue painting. So I'm gonna just do this really quick. We already did the plastic repair. This is just plastic filler, not the actual filler. Put some glaze over it, like that little imperfections here and there. That's what I'm gonna use the glaze for. So I'm gonna do this really quick, and then we're gonna continue with the paint job. All right, guys, as you can see, we got it prepped and ready to go. I'm gonna do a little bit more scuffing right here in these little spots, but for the most part, it's ready to go. The other side is already prepped and ready to go. So we're gonna get it going. We're only gonna be blending, spot painting, basically just for these primer spots. And then the rest is gonna just be re-cleared. So let's get to it.
Apprentice Harry here. Just got a little energy in me. Let's get the glass in this car up.
right, guys, as you can see, we got it painted. For now, we're going to let it dry for a day at least, and then if I have to do any wet sanding or touch up paint, I'll keep you guys updated. But to the next half. All right, guys, we're back. It's been a couple days since that first half of the video, but we're gonna get to clearing it today and finishing just touch up little paint spots before we clear. And that's enough talking. But before that, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers. We hit 50 subscribers. No, it's not that much, but I'm excited about it. But enough talking, so let's get back to the video. All right, guys, we got it cleared, but we got some runs. So we're gonna have to deal with that next video. It's not as bad as it could be, but yeah, there you go. It's cleared, as you can see. But yeah, nothing's unfixable. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. The car has to dry, so we're gonna just cut it off here, and probably the next video will be of me just assembling everything and showing you guys that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Recording.
All right, we gotta cut that, man.